paano niya
Ito,
i-handle
maganda
yun.
to. Kasi,
Oo.
ano na to eh, 82 kg. Feel ko rinig natin yung nagapangan ng mga bungo dito ngayon
Oo.
eh.
It's still unpredictable para sa both fighters kung paano nila tatapusin yung
Oo,
laban.
yes sir, yes sir. From different countries sila galing eh.
Is Vikander and Iswekbet 2. This is a catchweight bout between the meanest, or one
Shout
of the
out
meanest
to
and scariest
Layson, Cherry
fighters in the
Faisenya.
country.
Also, shoutout sa mga nanonood dyan natin na Team Warriors members.
Fighting out the blue corner.
Shout out
This
sa
man is a
brother
mixed
natin na si
martial
Enrique
artist, holding
Aliaga.
fight
Yes,
record,
Enrique
5 wins with
Aliaga,
3 defeats.
William
He stands 5
William
feet 9
Elgefranto,
inches tall,
together with
weighing
Bea
in at
Chokson.
81.5
I also
kilos.
shout out pala to our special mention
All
pala
the
kay ano.
way from Santa Ana, Cagayan, by way of T-Rex Mixed Martial Arts, Emmanuel the Rain Iswagbe.
Shout out to our special mention
Introducing
na
his
si
opponent.
Jason
Fighting
Enterio
out
Margalio.
This man is a mixed martial
Shout out to you,
artist,
sir.
holding fight record, 6 wins with 1 defeat. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 81.5 kilos. By way of Muntinlupa, representing the incredible mixed martial arts, Alex Vikander!
Papiyok pa yung ating yung ating announcer ah.
One with a beautiful Camille.
Oh, Bigander. Nauna siya rito. Sumuntok kay Suekpe.
Bigander wanting to end it ASAP, oh, di ba?
Oh, Bigander wants to take him
Oh!
down.
What a takedown by Bigander. Iba din.
Bigander, gusto niya talaga dalhin si Suekpe sa ground.
So, Bigander keeping Iswekpe on the ground. With Iswekpe being being a aggressive striker din.
As he wants to, yung plano niya, paano ma-finish si Isuekpe.
Oh, di ba? Sabi niya rin kasi, he's one of the best strikers here.
Oo.
Kitang-kita rin naman natin, di ba? Sunod-sunod yung strike
Oo.
niya.
But
Wala siya pinapalampas.
si Isuekpe naman dito, maintaining yung, yung composure niya.
Yes, maintaining his ground, di
O
ba?
yung posture niya rin. Para makaalis siya dun sa pagkakaposition ni Bigander sa kanya.
Balen.
Suekpe.
Recover by Iswekpe. Oh, ayan na. Tatapusin niya
Running
yan.
punches
Yung Iswekpe
to
sa ground.
Bigander.
Bigander namumula ng muka. Uy. Iswekpe landing heavy but
punches.
precise punches.
Oo.
Bigander bringing him to the ground. Talaga.
Pero grabe rin yung ground game ni Bigander. Talagang
Yes, sir.
iniipit niya sa ground si Isuekpe.
Dadalhin niya talaga sa sa Anaconda Choke.
Oo. But sabi nga niya, hindi niya need mag-rush. Pero let's see kung paano niya
No need to rush,
matapos
no
to.
need to rush.
Isuekpe. Nakaalis sa side mount.
Iswekpe trying to escape from Bigander's control. Well, Bigander naman, grabe din yung pag-control niya kay Iswekpe, oh. Grabe, ang ano nito eh. Parang, ang bibigat na nila masyado. Heavyweights, parang papunta to heavyweight. Ano. Hindi pa naman siya technically heavyweights, pero papunta na siyang heavyweight.
Parang nandun na rin sila sa weight class na yan, eh, no?
No, actually, kung andito rin kayo, marinig yung kalampagan ng mga ano nila eh.
Oo.
Ultimong paggalaw-galaw pa lang, ramdam mo yung bigat nila eh.
Uy, kinukuha niya sa Amerikana
He's
to.
trying to submit Isuekpe.
Oo. Oh,
And Isuekpe escape.
nakaalis si
Pero
Suwekpe.
uh,
Pero nakuha ni
Bigander
Bigander yung
getting the
likod ni
back.
Suwekpe.
Mukhang masusunod naman ang plano ni Bigander.
Pero successful yung takas ni Isuwekpe mula.
Oh, Isuekpe
Suwekpe with the takedown.
Takedown. Kaso Isuekpe put himself in a bad position din.
Nakapasok ba yung choke?
Yes, pasok na pasok yung choke pero
Pero hindi lock.
yes, hindi lock. Yes. Saved by the bell. Once again. With that, we would like to thank again our sponsors. Our honorable guests for this evening pala muna. I would like to thank our very own Mayor Ariel M. Non. And also with our Vice Mayor, Casimero B. Padilla. You know? As well as the LGU, our Honorable Municipal Councilors, Arte Mandaya, Honorable Ecol Arenal, Honorable Kat Dilao, Honorable Cheska Napa, Honorable Michael Guzman, Honorable Asha Mapa, Honorable Grace Villablanca, Honorable Jeroy Padilla, and Honorable Julito Gonzalez, our LNB President. Together with the SK Federation President, Honorable Ranwil Capones, with the IPMR to the SB, Isang Kuryang Kabataan, our Honorable Ronnie Abriol. Yan, no? Grabe yung palitan nila, no? Seconds out on the break time. Now on the second round.
About to start second round. Heading to the second round of the 12th bout.
Pero wala silang pinapalampas. Balbagan agad.
Suwekpe throwing punches at Bigander.
Bigander keeping his ground.
Oo.
Maintaining his composure.
Yung guard niya nakataas
Ano?
lang.
Iba talaga, oh.
But Bigander, will he...
Kaso parang pagod na yung dalawa
Try
nating
to
gigante.
revenge.
Bigander being aggressive.
Bigander, gusto niya dalhin sa ground.
Isuekpe being aggressive to his strike. Bigander trying to bring him to the ground. At this
Oh.
point right now, parang kumakain na lang siya ng suntok eh.
Oo, Isuwekpe.
Suwekpe
Sunod-sunod
continues
yung
striking,
bitaw
oh.
niya ng strikes.
Oh, bam!
Well,
Okay,
si
isa
Bigander-
pa, suntok pa yun, oh. Oh!
Naghihintay siguro si Bigander ng
Oh, he's waiting for the
opportunity
perfect
para
opportunity.
mag-takedown.
Oh, yun nga eh. Kaso niya sabi niya kanina, don't
Oo.
rush.
He doesn't want to
As
strike.
long as he doesn't make any stupid mistakes. You know?
He doesn't want to strike. He just wants to get Isuekpe to the ground, pound, or anything na submission na kaya niyang gawin.
And bam, bam, bam! Suekpe maintaining a good position on the ground.
Yung defense niya, mataas pa rin yung percentage para hindi siya ma-submit dito or magawa ng submission. Yung posture niya talagang on point pa rin. But Bigander andito, strike.
Isuekpe.
But
Isuekpe continuously.
he wants
Isuekpe continues-
Isuekpe
Oh!
on the ground.
Talagang ground talaga, no?
Oo. As he wants to finish this fight na sa ground din talaga.
Talaga. According to him, dadalhin talaga sa grappling, ano?
Oo.
Grabe. Iba yung ano nitong dalawa. Iba din yung pressure itong dalawang. Ano? Iba na rin talaga yung excitement pag championship round na, no?
Oo. Pag yung parang kill or to be killed round
Oo.
na.
Yun yung to do or die. Kill or
Oo.
kill or to be killed na nga talaga, as according to you. Iba din, no? You know, Isuekpe trying to reversal in, in Big Under.
Kaso hindi pinahayaan ni Bigander alisan siya ni Isuekpe.
Yes, sir. Pero ang ayos din ng
Oo.
Kahit gustong dalhin to ni Isuekpe sa sa striking, ang ayos pa rin ng niya ng composure niya at ng ground niya sa ng defense niya din sa grappling ni Bigander.
Oo. But Bigander, talagang kinukuha niya talaga yung point sa ground.
Oo. Kinukuha niya yung point sa ground. Which is working naman kasi parang nahihirapan sa Isuekpe umalis,
Oo.
oh.
Sadyang nakalock in siguro talaga sila.
Nakalock in
Or
talaga.
nakapin talaga sila sa fence,
Down,
sa
pagod
ground.
na. Nahihirapan na si
Si Isuekpe.
Isuekpe umalis. Ayan, oh. Seconds, seconds out.
Seconds out.
Ayan, so we can see on the instant replay. Ang bilis
Oo.
din yung takedown ni Bigander. And takedown by Bigander. What a good takedown din. Tapos ang heavy tong nakita ko yung suntok ni ni Isuekpe. Oh, grabe yun.
Bigat rin
Bigat
no?
na bigat rin yun.
Oo.
Bigay na bigay.
Parang may one punch power din yun.
Oo. Imposibleng hindi naramdaman ni Bigander.
Oo.
We can now see both fighters. Ayan na. Ito na, third round na. Ito na yung pinaka-action. Masaya to.
For our third round, ito na.
Here we go on the third round. So we can see din pala, we have our special guest, no? Mga guest natin ngayon, si Annie Lou Parungaw. First MMA champion ba ng ng FEN Cambodia. And together
Oo.
with Drex, Coach Drex Zamboanga. Ayun. Heading T-Rex MMA. May mga bata rin naman siya magkukompete ngayon, di ba?
Oo. Last round.
So yan na, Isuekpe now attempting to take it to the ground.
Pero
Ayan na, nahuli siya ni
yung choke
Bigander.
ni Bigander.
Bigander, oh. Isuekpe, good composure by Isuekpe. Oh, ayan o, nakalock in si, nakatakas si
nakalis.
Isuekpe.
Pero Bigander, he wants Isuekpe on the ground talaga.
Oh, what a takedown by Bigander. Ayan, ito na magkakaalaman. Sino ba talaga ang mas lamang sa kanila?
Gusto niya talaga sa ground.
Yes, sir. Will this fight end in a unanimous decision, a TKO, or a submission and a knockout?
Or yung plano ni Bigander na anaconda choke.
Anaconda, parang hindi na yata masusunod yun eh.
Oo.
Ayan na, sunod-sunod na rin ang strikes. Inuulan na rin siya ni Bigander
Bigander.
ng suntok. And it is yun by a TKO.
Bigander wins.
Bigander wins via TKO. Isuekpe. Ito rin yung maganda.
Redemption.
At the end of each war, they are still friends. Diba? The respect after war.
The sportsmanship.
The sportsmanship. Grabe.
Oo.
Iba rin. Grabe yung bigayan nila from first round to
Oo.
third round.
Talagang kahit si Bigander kuha lang siya ng takedown, it was successful pa rin.
Tapos yung mga suntok naman na Isuekpe,
Oo.
walang pinapalampas eh. Tamang-tama lahat.
Umayon sa plano.
Kaso, may techniques talagang mas malakas sa
Oo.
Declaring the winner by technical knockout, Alex